G'day legends of the Jurg's Cup, Chewy back again. Today I'm going to show you laminating, well, cutting out the shape for the back part of the body and gluing that bit, those two together, and getting my Nekosaurus Rex and getting that rough cut as well. So a lot of drawing and cutting and, you know, rough cutting. We'll get there. Good intro, exciting stuff. Please remember that this guitar is going to be raffled off and donated to the Leukemia Foundation in the name of Jürgen Zola and the Jurg's Cup. Stick around, watch the video, leave a comment down below, and let's learn how to build guitars together. Alright, I'm going to get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure I've got my center line marked, and this is the inside, that will be the back. Center line marked on my top of the body, and I'm going to line that up. Doesn't need to be perfect right now, and trace around with a pencil. Riveting television, this stuff. And then I'm going to get my jigsaw and cut around it. Pretty simple. I don't think you really need to see any more of that. I'm going to continue cutting around there, leaving about, I don't know, 2 to 3 mil around the outside as my safety, because I know how crooked that jigsaw cuts. It's far from a 90-degree angle. Onward, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Looks something like that. Pretty simple. It will accommodate the top of this quite fine. Now, the next step that I'm actually going to do is drill a couple of locating pins where the pickup holes are. I used my Telecaster San Dimas template to mark out roughly where the pickups are going to go. Now, I don't know yet which pickups are going in this. I'm guessing I'm going to put P90s in, which are about the same size as humbuckers. So I've got plenty of room to drill. I'll put one in the bridge and one in the neck pocket. I'm actually going to use drill bits as my locating pins. I have some cocktail sticks, but I don't have a drill bit the same size. And I just couldn't be bothered figuring it out. I've got 3 drill bits the same size, therefore I'm just going to use those as my locating pins. Alright, next job coming up. I'm checking I've got clearance all the way around, which I do, plenty. Time to drill a couple of holes. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies. Perfect. Time for a glue up. From a cold steel day, a smile from a thrill. Do you think you can tell? Did they get you to dread? And that's all the clamps I have, so that's all I can do right now in terms of gluing up. I can still rough cut this. I might do the neck now. Let me get this out of the way. As with most parts of guitar building, the center line is the king. I've got a center line marked on my blank I've got a centre line marked on my template, and I'm simply going to line up my centre lines and then trace around my template. I've cut it very, very fine here. I've just found a millimetre. Don't tell my wife. Now I'm going to rough cut around that as close as I can to the line. Then I can use my template as a router guide and route around and get a neck that's somewhat unique. And this one's definitely unique. She's just going to make it, just going to make it. Ah, I love it when things work out.
Same old ground, have we found the same old years? Wish you.
So what have we learned here today? Well, if I can make a guitar, you can make a guitar. Cheap tools can go a long way, but they're hard work. You can design and make your own templates from a set of templates. You can make do with what you've got a lot of the time, within reason. I suppose I could route this now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to call that the end of this video. I think that's enough. In the next one, I'm going to get the router onto the body, onto the neck, and get my truss rod cavity done, and potentially, that'll be it for that episode. But stick with me while I build this guitar. Remember, this guitar will be raffled off for charity for the Leukemia Foundation. It will be a beautiful guitar when it's finished. It will play beautifully, it will sound great, and it will look unique. I can't guarantee more than that. All right, thanks for watching, humanoids. You know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewy out. Peace. Special wave.